Welcome to the Education Specialist CalTPA Pilot Registration Process tutorial. In this module, we will demonstrate how to register for the Education Specialist CalTPA Pilot, including selecting your assessment, answering background questions, and entering your voucher code. Step 1. Sign in. There are multiple ways to sign in from the home page and the candidate section of the pilot website. Note, however, the Already Registered button on the home page is different from the other sign-in buttons. This particular button will only work if you have previously registered for a cycle. As we have not yet registered, we will use the Sign In Now button. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have already created an account. If you do not have an account, you will need to follow the link to create an account first. If you have an account, enter your email address and your password. Step 2, register. Once you have accessed your account, select the register link in the right-hand navigation menu. Step 3, identity confirmation. Check the box to affirm you are the person who will be completing the assessment. Step 4, assessment selection. Select the assessment that corresponds to your credential area. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select mild to moderate support needs. Note, there are two options for the deaf and hard of hearing credential. Note, you must first click the Add link to lock in your selection. If you do not select the Add link, an error message will appear. Step 5, background questions. In the next several pages, you will be asked to provide background information. This information is kept confidential and will be used for aggregated statistical purposes only. Step 6, ethnicity. Select the option that best describes your ethnic or racial background. Note, if you cannot find an appropriate option or do not wish to answer this question, select either the Other or Choose Not to Respond option. Once you have selected your choice, click the Add link on the right to lock in your selection. Step 7, sexual orientation. Select the option that best describes your sexual orientation. Note, this question is voluntary. If you choose not to answer, select the Decline to State option. Step 8, language. Select the option that best describes your fluency as a child. Step 9, preparation program. Select your preparation program from the list. Once you have selected your choice, click the Add link on the right to lock in your selection. Step 10, program length and type. Select the options that best describe the overall length and type of your preliminary preparation program. If you are not sure which options to select, consult with your program. Step 11, placement setting, school, length, and grade level. Select the options that best describe your teaching placement setting, school, length, and grade level. If you are not sure which options to select, consult with your program. Once you have selected your grade level choice, click the Add link on the right to lock in your selection. Step 12, hours and units. Select the option that best describes the number of units you will have completed at the end of the semester or grading period in which you are completing this cycle. Step 13, review registration. Carefully review your selected assessment and background question information to make sure it is accurate. Click the Change links if you need to make any modifications. Once you are satisfied with your information, click the Add to Cart button to add the assessment to your shopping cart. Step 14, View Cart. Once again, verify that you have selected the correct assessment. If not, use the Remove link to remove the assessment from your shopping cart and start a new registration from the beginning. If it is correct, click the Checkout button to proceed to checkout. Step 15, Agreement. Carefully review the Education Specialist CalTPA Rules of Participation and check the box to affirm you agree. Step 16, Payment. Click the Enter a Voucher link and enter the 11-digit voucher code you were provided by your program. Then review the Education Specialist CalTPA withdrawal refund policy and check the box to affirm. Step 17, Review Order. Review your order and click the Submit Order button when you are ready to submit. You have successfully registered for the Education Specialist CalTPA pilot. From here, you can begin uploading evidence for your cycle, or you can log out and return to complete your cycle at another time. This concludes our tutorial on the Education Specialist CalTPA pilot registration process. For additional guidance on uploading evidence and submitting your cycle, please see our tutorial on the Education Specialist CalTPA pilot submission process.